Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel Watch with a full step-by-step tutorial.
Method 1. Using the watch settings. Step 1. Wake up your Pixel Watch and swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings. Step 2. Tap the settings gear icon. Step 3. Scroll down and select System. Step 4. Tap Disconnect and Reset. Step 5. Confirm by tapping Reset. Your watch will erase all data and restore factory settings. Method 2. Using your paired phone. Wear OS app. Step 1. Open the Wear OS app on your phone. Step 2. Tap your watch name at the top. Step 3. Select Advanced Settings. Step 4. Tap Disconnect and Reset. Step 5. Confirm the action. Your Pixel Watch will reset to factory defaults.